Right, picture this. It's pouring down, you're stuck inside, and the rain's hammering the roof. But have you ever wondered where all that water actually goes? That, my friends, is what hydrologists call runoff. And understanding it is key for everything from managing floods to keeping our forests healthy. So, how do scientists figure out how much water runs off a patch of land? Let's say a whole forested watershed. Well, it's all about integration. Don't panic. I promise this is way less scary than you remember from your maths lessons. Let me throw a simple equation your way. Q equals sine QT dt. Here Q is cumulative runoff, basically the total water flowing out of the watershed over a specific time. And QT is the rate at which water's running off at any moment. If you integrate QT, that is, add up all those little bits of runoff over the time it's raining, you get the big picture, how much water actually escapes. In other words, integration is just a fancy way of saying total it all up. Let's make it real. Imagine rain falling on a forest. Some water soaks into the ground, some evaporates, and the rest, that's our runoff. If it rains heavily for 2 hours, and the runoff rate changes over time, you can use integration to work out exactly how much water leaves the area. Here's the cool bit. Hydrologists use actual data like rainfall intensity, soil type, and vegetation cover to build models of QT. Sometimes they use a simple function, like QT equals sine 5t, where the runoff rate increases over time. To find the total runoff over, say, 2 hours, you'd integrate from 0 to 2. So, 0 to 5t dt. That's 5t2, evaluated from 0 to 2. Do the maths, and you get 10 units of water. That's how scientists predict flooding, plan reservoirs, and protect our forests. I know, it sounds technical, but really, it's just breaking a problem down into smaller pieces and adding them all up. Next time you see rain running down a street, think about all the maths and all the forests behind that simple flow of water. So, next time you're revising integration, remember, it's not just numbers on a page, it's helping us understand and protect the world around us. And that, if you ask me, is pretty cool. Thanks for watching, and don't be afraid of the maths. It's more useful than you think.